Ever feel like project management tools are a dime a dozen these days? Trello, Monday.com, Asana, the list goes on. So, if you're drowning in options and wondering which one to choose, you've come to the right place. Today, we're putting Asana in the hot seat, dissecting why it might be the perfect fit for your workflow, even with all these alternatives out there. Let's face it, project management can be a chaotic beast. Juggling tasks, deadlines, and keeping everyone on the same page can feel like herding cats. But a good project management tool can be your secret weapon, transforming that chaos into a symphony of productivity. So why Asana? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into what makes this platform a winner. Structure and flexibility. The sweet spot. First things first, Asana shines in its ability to balance structure with flexibility. You can create detailed project roadmaps, complete with timelines and dependencies, keeping everyone crystal clear on the big picture. But here's the kicker. It doesn't become a rigid monster. Asana allows you to adapt those plans on the fly. Need to adjust a deadline or shuffle tasks around? No problem. Drag and drop functionality and intuitive interface make those changes a breeze. This adaptability is a game changer, especially for those projects that are inherently fluid. Let's say you're a marketing agency juggling multiple client campaigns. With Asana, you can create a structured framework for each campaign, but also have the flexibility to adjust as new ideas or client requests pop up. Collaboration made easy. Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, project management isn't a one-man show. You need your team on board, seamlessly collaborating to move things forward. Asana gets this. It fosters a collaborative environment with features like task assignment, inline commenting, and real-time updates. Imagine a world where everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for, can easily discuss roadblocks, and see progress unfold in real time. Asana makes that world a reality. Here's a specific example. Let's say you're a development team working on a new app. With Asana, developers can assign tasks like bug fixing or feature development to specific team members. Team members can then comment directly on those tasks, share code snippets, and keep everyone updated on their progress. This eliminates the dreaded email back and forth and keeps everyone on the same page. Staying organized. From chaos to calm. We've all been there, drowning in a sea of to-do lists and scattered notes. Asana swoops in like a productivity knight, offering a haven for organization. You can create custom lists, assign priorities, and set due dates for tasks. This structure helps you prioritize what needs to be done first and avoid that feeling of being overwhelmed. Plus, Asana's search functionality is top-notch. Need to find that crucial piece of information buried deep within a project? A few quick keywords and voila! No more wasting time sifting through endless emails or documents. Here's how this can benefit you in a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a content creator managing multiple social media accounts. With Asana, you can create separate project boards for each platform, with specific tasks like brainstorming content ideas, scheduling posts, and analyzing engagement. The search function then becomes your best friend, allowing you to easily find that specific social media graphic you need or that competitor analysis report you created last month. Focus on what matters. Prioritization power. Let's be honest, not all tasks are created equal. Some deserve your immediate attention, while others can wait. Asana empowers you to prioritize effectively with features like My Tasks and Inbox. My Tasks acts like your personal command center, displaying all your assigned tasks across different projects, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. The inbox keeps you updated on any mentions, comments, or deadlines related to tasks you're involved in. This prioritization becomes even more crucial as your workload increases. Say you're an entrepreneur juggling multiple business ventures. With Asana, you can create separate workspaces for each venture, then utilize My Tasks to prioritize the most critical tasks across those different projects. This ensures you're not neglecting one business for the other and helps you maintain a healthy overall workload. Asana understands that a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. That's why it offers extensive customization options.